Obviously, you'll need to know where these services are. We're currently in the Grand Hall. Now, if you have a look on your campus map, the library services are, of course, in the library, which is over to my right, just between the outdoor sporting facilities and Hawkins Student Car Park. The Student Union building is also in that same direction, but it's in front of the car park. For those of you who will be travelling by bus, the university bus stop is just outside the library. The administration building is over to my left, between the International Centre and the post office. Most of you have been to visit us already. Even though the administration staff look after the bookshop, it's in the same building as the post office, just behind the student refectory. If you come to the administration building, we'll show you where it is anyway. All of the academic staff are found in their particular faculty buildings, which you'll get to know very well. The Career and International Student Advisors are in a small building behind the International Centre, in between the Engineering and the Arts block. It's really quite easy to find your way around the campus, and most staff and students are more than willing to give you directions. Now, we're just going to have a short break with some tea and biscuits at the back of the hall. So, if you'd like to stand up and come down.
Have you got any ideas or contacts?
Well, as a matter of fact, I'm going to go to the Student Employment Office. Do you want to come with me?
Sure, if you don't mind. Where is it?
Let me see. I've got a map here of the campus. It's up here in Y block.
Oh, boy. We're a long way away from there. We've just come out of N block. Here we are here.
Yes, N block. Well, we can turn right and follow Circular Drive around, but that's the long way. What's the building opposite us?
That's the International Centre. I learnt English there before starting my Bachelor of Business.
Oh, right. I see. It says I block. I guess I stands for International. Well, let's cross Circular Drive and walk up to the right.
No, there's lots of trees and gardens there. We'd better go to the left of the building. You can't get through otherwise.
Okay. We'll head past D block, go between B and C blocks, and then across the sports fields to Y block.
Okay, but I'm really hungry. How about going to the student canteen before we get to Y block? It's just on the other side of A block, near the main entrance.
Good idea. I didn't have breakfast this morning. I'm starving. Let's go.
Peter and Crystal arrive at the Student Employment Office and the receptionist meets them. As you listen to the rest of the conversation, answer questions 6 to 10.
This is the main entrance. Let's go in.
It's very big, isn't it?
Yes, but here's a map which will help you. Can you see that it's a kind of L shape?
Oh, yes. Is that the circulations desk in front of us?
Yes. That's where all of the incoming and outgoing loans are registered. When you return a book, just put it in the large box over there. See it's marked Returns? Just to the right of the desk.
Yes, I see. Can I use the computers behind the desk to access the internet?
Those computers are for the library's database search system only. There are computers in the IT block which we passed on our way here to the library. Anyway, you can search for a book by typing in the title, author, topic, or a keyword.
Are the computers easy to use?
Yes, very easy. Even I can use them.
Does it give a catalogue number after you do the search?
Yes, it does. It'll also tell you in which section of the library to find the book. The library is divided into 3 sections. Straight ahead, behind the circulations desk, is the monograph collection. That just means you can borrow these materials for normal loans.
Monograph collection? Yes, I see.
The section behind the photocopiers is for all of the serial publications. That means journals and magazines and newspapers, of course. And the most important section for us is the reference section. You'll use it a lot. Unfortunately, the books in this section can't be borrowed. You have to use them in the library. It's over there, past the quiet study area.
I see. So, do I need to join or register here? Or do I have automatic borrowing rights as a student?
As long as you have your student card, you can borrow books from the monograph collection. Anyone else can access the rest of the library.
What if I can't find a particular book?
That's what the staff are there for, Yumi. Just go to the advisor's desk, take a request card, and fill in the details of what you're looking for.
Where's the advisor's desk?
It's just over there, the desk at the entrance to the quiet study area.
Right. Well, I think I'll have a look now to see if I can find any of the recommended texts for my first law assignment.
Yes, good idea. Texts on the recommended lists from the lecturers are very popular, and you should try to borrow them from the library as soon as you get your list.